And then after that, we can like proceed to pronouns first. Are you familiar with Tagalog pronouns na po?
Um, ako, ikaw, siyam, sampo. No, so like
So,
ako, ikaw,
yeah,
siyam, sampo.
siya, yeah.
Okay. Hanging sa muli. I can't remember what muli means. I don't know what haging means either.
Okay, hanggang. Okay. So hanggang sa muli means until next time.
So
Hmm?
hanging.
Hanggang means till.
Okay.
You should reply, sige po, sige po. Okay?
Sige.
Always have po, okay? Have ideas about them, and you can ask me and I can share you what of things that I know, okay?
Sige. Sige. Ako ay kalib ng kulang.
Okay.
Dong is
So
what?
this one will
Dong
pertain
means
to your
years. No.
age.
Oh, I don't understand it actually. I don't know what gulang is.
Like old. Years old.
Oh, okay. Ako ay isa dalawa taong gulang.
Okay. You're 21, right? Isa, dalawa taong gulang. So that would mean like you're 12 years old.
Dakil? What's clothes again?
Clothes is damit.
Damit. Magkano
Okay.
po itong damit
Okay,
ni
how much?
ni Lola?
Okay, how much this?
Both of them.
Either or.
Oh, this one, you already know this one? Either.
Hindi is a language in India. I mean, it means no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Huwag.
What would you reply in this one? So, maaari mo ba akong tulungan? Maaari mo po ba akong tulungan?
Opo. Sige.
And thank you for cooperation in our today's lesson. So, all is good, right?
Yeah.
Or there's no problem?
No, all is good.
Okay.
Sarap.
Okay. Don't use that words because there's so many meaning of that word.
Okay.